Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see Flutter scale transition animation. So let's start by declaring our animation controller like this, animation controller, and we'll also declare animation of which takes in a value of double like this, and animation. Okay, so before that we'll create our UI. So for our UI, I'll take a column in our body, and inside the column let's take the first child, which is we'll set its main axis alignment to center so that all our children are in the center. Now in the center we'll take a text which says scale transition. Okay, so let's now give it a style of text style, and we'll give it a value of, let's say, font size of, let's say, a size of 20. Now let's save our app, and now you can see our text in our app. So below it, what we can do is we can just give a, let's say, a spacing. So for spacing we'll add a size box of height, let's say 20, and in the center we'll take another child which is, let's say, I have an image of heart shape. So for it we'll give it an image.asset, and in assets we'll give our image path. So let's say heart.png. Okay, now let's save our app, and now you can see our image. So to change the size of the image, let's wrap it inside a sized box widget. So sized box like this, and we can give it a height and width of, let's say, 200. Okay, so let's save our app, and now you can see the height and width is change of our image. So now we can wrap our sized box with a widget called scale transition like this. Now as you can see, the scale transition takes in a value of scale, so we'll give it a scale value, and it should not be null. So let's give our scale. So you can see the scale takes in an animation value. So let's create our animation. In the init state, let's declare our controller like this, controller equal to animation controller, and we'll give it a duration of, let's say, 2 seconds. And now for the animation, we'll assign our animation variable to a curved animation like this, and the parent will be our controller. And for the curve, you can give any curve that you want, or let's say we give it a curves dot ease in and out like this, because our heart shape image. And for the controller dot repeat, we will give it a reverse value of true. And now just save our app, and we can give our animation value to our scale transition animation. Now save our app. Okay, so let's hot reload our app. Okay, so now as you can see, the scale transition animation is visible. You can see the size of our image is scaled as per our animation. So this is how you can use scale transition animation in Flutter. Hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next time.